Falscara, the new way to lash according to them. Now before I even get into my video, I have to keep it 100 with you guys. I only picked it up because they had it on sale for pretty much $3. So I was like, you know, why not? I mean, I can try out our new lash system for $3. I watched the video. When you go to their website, there is a video on how to use them, but I was trying to do research and I didn't find any videos with anybody talking about how long they actually last. So I'm not just gonna do a, you know, initial review and how to put it on. I'm gonna let you guys know exactly how long do these stay on for, because I want to know. I'm pretty sure people out there want to know too. So inside of the packaging, taking them out of the package. So the bonding side looks like this. It's like black. And then the sealing part, it looks like it's more of like a clear material. So from the instructions and from all the, you know, how-tos that I've watched, I'm supposed to put bond on my eyelash and then use the tool to apply the eyelashes on, and after I'm done with that, I should do the seal. Before I sat down, I did make sure to wipe my eyelashes and clean them to make sure that they didn't have any sort of product or anything on them, okay? This is what the lashes look like in the tray. It's 5 pieces for each side. The tool looks like up close. Now let's go on with the bond. I'm taking my time with the inner lashes because I know that that's like my problem area. Even when I am applying my regular mascara, I always gotta like really go in the small ones. Just don't look at that, okay? You're not here for that. You're here for the lashes. Okay, so I'm gonna hurry up and put a little bit more. They say that a little bit goes a long way, so I'm not trying to put too much, but I also want to make sure that I put enough. Okay. So now the next step is to apply the wisps. So I am oh wow. Okay, I did not know this. It comes with like a cover. Wow. It comes with like a little cover on top. So make sure you remove that cover. Don't try to just pull the lash off. So I'm going in. This is what the lash looks like. And it says to put it underneath my lash line. And so there. Next one. Oops. Okay. That's the next one. This is actually going a lot easier than I thought. I'm shocked. Guys, this is going a lot better than I thought. I think I might have messed up, because I think, honestly, looking at it, they all look the same. I was trying to figure out, because the package comes like this, so I automatically assumed this was for this eye, this one is for this eye, but I don't know. I think it was the other way around, but oh well. Oh well. So the instruction said to use the tool or your fingers to like sandwich them together. So that's what I'm doing right now. Right? Not that bad. Okay. So I know definitely when I do the next eye, I'm gonna try not to put as much bond. And now I'm gonna go in with the seal. All right, guys. I'm gonna try my best not to put too much bond on this eye. This time I'm starting from the inside out, and it's just out of a habit. So you can tell, like, my placing is not as perfect, but I think that it doesn't affect the overall look. And here is my last one. And there it is. That's the last one already. No, honestly, I don't remember if I was supposed to go on top or on the bottom with the seal. So let me do that real quick. So I can see how the tool is shaped to make this process a lot easier. So these are the lashes. I think they're cute. They actually look natural, but let's wait and see how long they last. I wanted to give you an up close look so you can see what they look like underneath. And this is what they look like on top. Now I will say, I'm more used to like mink lashes, 3D preferably. So, you know, okay, in case you were wondering. And yeah, they look super natural because, you know, they go under your lash. So on the top, you can't see nothing. They're not, doesn't look like they're going anywhere. Right, so it is many days later, okay? So I applied these on a Thursday night, and they lasted me approximately for 5 days. On the second day, the outer corner of my left eye came off, and it didn't just come off by itself. I felt it loose, so I removed it. And by the 5th day, I had one of the outer corners and one of the inner corners come out, but the rest of them are actually still in place. If I wanted to, I probably could have tried to reapply the ones that came off. I took a Q-tip, I put some vitamin E oil on it, and that is what I used to remove the rest of the Falscara. Also went ahead and used that vitamin E oil to clean out the lashes. As you can see, I just put them on a napkin and just try to use that Q-tip with the vitamin E oil to clean it off very well. Now they are very delicate. I wasn't even being rough with them, and quite a few did lose a few strands. There might be tips and tricks to make them last a little longer, and I'll see if I can master any of them on my second go around. And you know, if I am able to, I will make another video. I'll come and share my findings with you. So yes guys, this is my review on the KISS Falscara at-home lash system. I really hope that my video was informative. If you have any questions about any of these products, go ahead and reach out to me. And while you at it, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I mean, come on, it doesn't cost you anything. It's like free. Thank you so much for checking my video out, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.